Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anusha and thank you for joining me. So here I am with a festival glam makeup look. It's a very simple and very elegant look. You can carry this look with sari or western or anything you like because it's a very simple and quick makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So at first I'm using the Biotique Honey Water Toner and it's a pore tightening toner, and I love to apply toner like a dabbing motion. I don't like cotton pad, so that's why I'm applying this toner like this, and I'm also applying this onto my neck area. Then I'm taking the Body Shop Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's a very light moisturizer before applying any kind of makeup, or if you want a heavy duty makeup then go for this light moisturizer. It's very refreshing. Then I'm applying the Good Vibes Coconut Lip Balm as a mask. Then I'm moving on to the primer. I'm using here the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Primer, and it's also a very lightweight primer, guys. It's not a like a silicone base. It's a very natural finish. So if you want a lightweight primer, then go for this primer. Then I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Super-Blendable Foundation. It's also, guys, a very lightweight foundation, and I love lightweight products for my face. I don't like heavy duty makeup onto my face because if you are going for a long day, then go for a lightweight moisturizer, lightweight product, so it will helps to make your skin look natural. Then I'm dabbing this with my pack beauty blender, and I'm applying this dab motion, and I love to dabbing foundation like this. Then I'm applying the Maybelline Age Divine concealer, and I'm applying this underneath my eyes, my eyelids, my forehead, my bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid bows, and also my mouth area. Then I'm applying the beauty blender as a what I'm saying I'm dabbing a beauty blender onto my face. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm just applying this underneath my eyes only because I don't like to bake all over my face. And I'm not just like baking, it's like a just instantly pressing this powder onto my face, which makes my skin looks natural, not like cakey at all. If you want press powder, then you can go for press powder. Then I'm using Faces bronzer. It's a Faces Ultime Pro bronzer, and I'm using this as a contour. Today I'm not using any types of contour. If you want a contour, then you can go for contour, but I personally love a bronzer for my face, natural look. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me, the shade is Wine. I love this shade, guys. It suits for all skin type, and I just love the blush. I'm just blushing this all over my cheeks and blushing and blushing. Okay, now stop. Now I'm using the Freedom Pro blush highlighter. I'm taking this shade. If you want a dewy finish highlighter, then go for this shade, guys. It's a very natural looking dewy finish, and this time it's my favorite shade because it's not looks like a very much sparkly or glittery on your face. Now I'm using the Faces Ultime Pro brow pencil. It's almost finished, guys, and I need a new pencil. And now I'm just fill in my brows. If you want my brow update routine, then I will make a video for you. My eyebrow routine is nothing different, it's nothing huge, it's a very simple and natural. I just like a natural brows. Then come closer for my eyes. Now I'm using this kajal from Faces, and guys, this is also almost finished, and I need a pencil. It's very much complicated for me right now for applying this, but I love this black shade. And if you want a dark black kajal for your eyes, then go for this. Then I am just applying my upper and lower waterline just to make my eyes looks a little bit bigger. Then I'm just smudging this onto my lash line. I'm just smudging onto just lash line, just deepening my outer corner and just smudging at all. Then I'm taking a Maybelline Nude palette and I'm using this shade. It's a brown shade. I'm just smudging this underneath my lash line to make this look a little bit smoky. And also applying this onto my upper lash line with the same brown shade, and it's a look your eyes a little bit smoky and it will open up your eyes a little bit. Then I'm using the Showstopper, my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and guys, it's also finished almost. So I need all the thing for this Durga Puja which is coming. And now I'm using Faces Ultime Pro liquid lipstick, and the shade is 08 Warm Nude. I love this shade, guys. It's a very natural nudish pinkish brown which will suit for all skin tone. Then I'm using Kiko Milano fixing spray. Then I'm applying a bindi, and this is totally optional if you want bindi for this look. So guys, this is the final look without lash. If you want a lash, then you can use any types of lash you love. I love personally Pac Ming 72, and this makes my eyes look so dramatic, and not like huge dramatic, it's look like little bit natural, and you can see it's look my eyes so beautiful. Then you can try different types of hairstyle with this look like me. If you want this hairstyle, please click the link below which is in the description box. And you can also carry this look with kurti or sari, with any kinds of like jeans. You can carry this look. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and if this video is helpful for you, then click the like button and click the bell icon for instant notification. So for now, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.